Not sure if this will work, but I modified it a bit. Put a screw down there because this was just going right through. Let's hope it works. Well, it feels pretty rough. I have to try that on air. Now I know one thing, it should reverse. Oh, it doesn't. It goes this way. This is smaller. So it should have reversed. But never mind. That's how this will be. See how that works. So guys, some reason these seems to be brittle. I don't know why. So it broke off there. I just put this on for a while. I think I'll make a brass one or something for this, because the reason I've put this ABS instead of PLA here is I'm hoping to run it on steam because it's supposed to be more high temperature, but we'll see if it works on steam. So guys, it's completed, and I thought I'd try it with just blowing into it. Let's have a look, see. I'm kind of amazed that it actually works like that. It's really hard to blow for a long time. Well, I certainly love it. I like it indeed. Have a look at it. It's beautifully made. I think it's beautiful anyway. I do like my two colors, the ABS and PLA. The black is a PLA. I just took it on this stand. I'm not sure if it's going to be any good, but hey, we'll see.